Do you want to clean up your eating before the holidays come? Sure, you'll probably take part in some holiday treats, but conditioning your body to eat whole plant foods before then will make you less apt to binge on processed foods, snacks, and desserts. High Carb Hannah's Lean and Clean ebook is a wealth of information about why we binge, eat unhealthy food, and how we can bring our bodies back to a place where we no longer have strong cravings and overeat. The ebook includes a well-thought-out 14-day plan with shopping lists, snack ideas, and over 50 whole foods plant-based, salt, oil, and sugar-free recipes. This is not a diet. It's a way of eating that brings you back to your natural healthy weight while feeding your body nutritiously with satisfying whole plant foods. There's no calorie counting or need to be obsessed with the scale. The preparation for meals is simple and doable, even if you work, go to school, or are just a generally busy person. Lots of people are losing weight following the Lean and Clean plan. We have a closed Facebook group for people who have purchased the ebook and are following it. You'll have lots of support from others who are already on their way to optimal health. To purchase your copy of Lean and Clean, simply click the link in the description box below. Please use my coupon code Mrs. Plant for a 10% discount on any of High Carb Hannah's books. Also, make sure to share this video with those you love. Happy holidays, and hope to see you in our Lean and Clean Facebook group soon.